Oh, cool. I'm streaming to nobody. That's the way I like it. Let's see what happens. In fact, I'll go to the toilet before I start. Oh my god, someone talking to me. This is C++ for Unreal Engine. This is not Unreal Engine, no, but it is C++. Hey, it's very bad C++ written by an idiot, so... Do not copy anything I do. Okay, so I'm not watching. Thank you for not watching. Please avert your eyes. I don't understand. It's so silly. Why am I so nervous about this? It's nerve-wracking streaming for the first time. I wonder if this is if everyone's. It's just normal. Is it if everyone's just very nervous the first time they stream on the internet? The stream's current bitrate is lower than the recommended bitrate. Alright, maybe that's an issue. Maybe that's a reason not to do this. Do you recommend that use a stream bitrate? Oh, I guess that's just a configuration I can change. Does the stream look okay? Can you read the Can you read this font? What is this now? Oh yeah, okay. Perfect, thank you. Okay, what am I doing now? I've lost track of whatever train of thought I was on 10 minutes ago. Yeah, this is done now. I just need to implement this thing. What's wrong with this? No, it's fine. Okay. Right, and now what? This is all done, this is done. Oh, this thing. Right, there might be a problem there, but this. Are you winning? No. No, sadly not. Doesn't feel like it. Now I'm lost. I have too many files open. What was I? Yeah, I just need to take this stuff. Get back here. Okay, now I can delete this file. There's nothing remaining in here that I want. I might try upping the bitrate just so that it stops sending me these warnings. So how do I do that? Video bitrate. We recommend that you use a stream bitrate of 6800. Okay. Here we go, 68. Alright, see what happens. Oh my god, it built. I wasn't even looking. Oh wait, I haven't done anything. I haven't sorted it out yet. Building is not interesting. This, okay. What happens here? I don't know. Okay, that seems fine. Okay, that's all working. Now does it crash when I do this? No, it doesn't, but there's nothing in there. Oh yeah, okay, I knew about that. Right. Now what's happening? Not sure, it's hanging on shutdown for some reason. This is probably because I changed this thing. Okay, I'm gonna make a big change here. I'm gonna just put this into a unique pointer so that I can discard it properly. Is that gonna cause some kind of big problem? So then I can just go reset. Okay. sure that breaks everything somehow. I don't trust Visual Studio to compile this correctly. I'm going to do a rebuild. Making changes in this header tends to make the compiler very confused. Oh yeah, I still haven't done this. Okay, it didn't crash on startup. That's pretty good. Okay. The only difference is that for some reason this console output is now blood red. I wonder if that's relevant. Is that a sign? Or is it just a Godot bug? Okay. What was I doing? Okay, I'll try and fix one of these things and then I'll stop streaming before I have an anxiety attack over here. This thing, I wonder if this is going to be really big. Okay, this is so warp markers are all fucked up. I don't know what I did. Something related to what I've been working on. Suddenly, wait, let's get a better example. of a sample here. So as soon as I start adding warp markers, the waveform gets all fucked up. And I recognize this visual glitch. It's basically the wrong bitmap level is being read when rendering the waveform. So that sounds like it would be easy to debug actually, because I can just go up the call stack and see where that bitmap level is where it's coming from. So it'll be in here somewhere. Oh yeah, here's a secret for people watching the stream of a new thing that I added. I added a thing where you can now add, if you want to add an empty space in the middle of a timeline, I have some magic hotkeys to do this. It's basically either everything to the left of the cursor or everything to the right. You can shift like this, so you can create holes in the timeline. But it doesn't work with snapping yet. Right. Okay. Let's see. Somewhere in here I should be reading from bitmaps. Here. So probably what's coming out of here is wrong. So if I look at this, it's 1. And then if I add a warp marker, zero. Ew. Okay. Okay, warp data. 2 points. This all looks fine. I don't think I changed anything in the plugins, but I might have. So let's just see what's happening. So this waveform derivatives buffer is filling with zeros, I guess. Okay. Why would that happen? Is it going to be a big deal to step into this? Okay, here we go. I love you. No, you don't. No. don't know how to process this kind of positive attention. Pitch derivatives, warp derivatives. Well, there must be a problem here. I must have broken something in here now. Jolly good streaming. It's a jolly good show. Is everything working then? There's no problems with the stream? It all looks okay, and it's very easy to, scarily easy to set this up. Justice, please get out of my walls. You don't belong in there. What am I doing? I'm looking for where it's calculating derivatives. I did change this stuff, but I don't think I changed it in a way that is relevant. I changed. Let's look in here. I changed this stuff. Yes, I did. I definitely did, actually. Make pitch point. I think ultimately this is 1. Derivative is 1. Okay. 1. Okay, this bit all seems fine. Will Blockhead ever be open source? I don't know. I'm open to the idea of it. I wrote a long post about that on the Modwiggler forum. If you go on Modwiggler and find the Blockhead thread, then I did all of hello. I did all of the mental work of figuring out a good answer to that question. I see you're using Vim controls. Yes, it is the, where is it? Is it in here? No. Installed. Vim. This thing. It's not brilliant, but it's okay. Right, let's get out of this loop. This all seems fine. So, derivatives, this is a bunch of 1s. So then what happens? Somewhere in here, let's just get out of here. Can't hear you. Can you? Can nobody hear me? Somebody. Is it because of the music is too loud? Can you hear me now? Is it okay? It might be because I have the music not mixed properly relative to my voice. Just add OTT to your voice. I don't know what that is. OTT. Yep. Can hear you loud and clear. Okay. I do have a tendency to mumble as well. I'm not very good. I don't enunciate my words properly. I'm not a good public speaker. I can hear your voice only if I crank up the volume. Okay. Maybe I should. I'll listen to the stream back afterwards and see if I need to like up the level of the stream entirely, or if I just need to speak up. I'm outside. I guess I should go inside. Are you looking on your phone, or are you just like standing outside watching your computer on the inside? Are you watching the stream through a window? Maybe that's why it's too quiet. What was I doing? This is I've completely lost. I was trying to figure out the. Here we go. What pitch derivatives? Warped derivatives. Which one of these is wrong? 1, 0. This is wrong. Okie dokie. But this part I definitely didn't change. Or did I? If I changed it, I would have fixed the formatting, because I don't write code in this style anymore. Make it clear that you are developing Blockhead. No, I want to be ambiguous and secretive. Yeah, you're partly to blame for me streaming, because I always said if enough people asked me to stream, then I'd give it a go. And you were nagging me a bit about it. Right. Zero. What have I done? Have I broken this at some point then? If derivative. Oh, right. This is. All right. Yeah. I was just checking if it's a pointer. Okay. X diff, Y diff. 0. Oh. Did I? I must have changed this then, did I? Shoot. I mean, it's clear what's happening here. It's doing an integer division. I don't know why this has suddenly popped up then. I'm not really sure. I changed something. How's the Half-Life 2 meme mod going? Is that still a thing, or is it sort of dead? What was I doing? Okay, here we go. Have I fixed it? Hey, I fixed it. Okay. I said I was going to end the stream after I fixed it. Okay. But maybe I'll keep going. Because people are actually rolling in now. I've got a whole 9 people. That's weird. Why are you here? Fix. Wait, is there anything else that I need to change in there? I didn't actually look at it properly. There's nowhere else where I'm doing that division, right? I think it's fine. So that's that, and then I changed a million things in here. I just refactored away this class. And probably broke a bunch of stuff. Okay. Count for scaling away from other. Oh yeah, I need to do that. Okay. Root offset not working correctly when copying blocks is something that was reported about 2 months ago, I think. And it is, I think, I can very simply copy. No, it's fine. Copy. There's some kind of issue where I reproduced it the other day. It's working fine at the moment. I don't know how to reproduce that consistently. Aha, here we go. It's a crash. What's happening here? I've changed the way that workspaces are like they're tear down when you close when you shut down a project. I've changed the way all that works. So it's clearing workspaces, so it erases each workspace in turn, and each of these handlers, it erases each track, and then each track erases each lane, and then each lane. Blockhead needs more promotion. Yeah, I'm not very good with anything. I'm not good. Why would this happen, I wonder? How do you feel about the current architecture with threads? Seems like you implemented the 3-thread structure and it seems to work. Yeah, it seems to work. That's how I feel about it. Working on Blockhead has been like the biggest educational experience in like learning how to like implement very complex application logic. And so I still don't really know what I'm doing, but I've learned a whole lot of things. I asked so because apparently like 30 years ago some game developer made a sequencer which became something we know as FL Studio. Oh really? I didn't know the history of FL Studio. I think I heard that it was started by one guy. Yeah. Theoretically, it should be easier these days for a solo developer um, to get traction on something. But the problem is, I'm just like crap at networking. The problem is just me. Like ideally, I would have started this with like some like-minded friends or something, um, and we would all share the workload of the programming. But I just don't know anybody. I'm just a loner. Please share your knowledge tutorials. Knowledge on what? Oh, you mean like application development in C++, that kind of thing? I had an idea a while back of like trying to share all of the stuff I've learned about um, using Godot, um, but I exclusively used Godot 3, and I think nobody really cares about Godot 3 anymore. And it's all about Godot 4. I got a Discord. Yes, I do have a Discord. How can I send you the link? Are there any Patreon subscribers in the chat who can like paste the link in for the Discord? I don't know if there's any subscribers in. Let me just find it. There you go. Does this work? Godot has a mobile version, yes. What the hell was I doing before all this started happening? Oh yeah. It looks to me like this lane is being erased twice because I'm not removing it from the tracks list of lanes. Let's see. If I just add a bunch of things again. So erase lane 84. Oh yeah, it was erased twice. Huh. You've come so far in quite a challenging task. Yeah, I've been saying for a while now that I've long since passed the point of it being reasonable for one person to be working on this. So my hope is that I eventually can make enough money in crowdfunding to hire a second programmer. But at the moment, I'm pretty happy the fact that I can just pay my rent every month. It's pretty amazing, really. Just through Patreon donations. Right, why is this being deleted twice? So 65 blah 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 blah, it does all that stuff. 67. $67 again. Patreon was made by a musician YouTuber called Jerk. This chat thing is so annoying in that the heart react button thing covers up the text. So you can't read it. Called Jack Conti because YouTube didn't pay him that much for the videos. Yeah, I think I heard that. Yeah, I think Patreon's had its fair share of like controversies as well, but I think on balance, it's a pretty cool service. Right, what's going on here? I don't really understand this. Stop giving him so much love. Oh no, it wasn't that. It's just more that the button itself like covers up the text of like the latest messages. Well, it does on my screen anyway. I can't see where the lane is actually being removed from the track list. Three lanes, that makes sense. 65, 67, 66. Oh, it happens in here, I think. So does it happen in here? I'm not sure. Get lanes. Oh, does this look in the reticulator? No, it doesn't. Ah, but it goes in here. So that container is modified within the loop. So that's what's going on. Okay. So it does make sense. I thought that was immutable for some reason. It's not. So probably the workspace thing has the same problem. Yeah. UI reminds me of Blockbench, a 3D model editor for Minecraft. Interesting. Are you a computer science student? I was about 15 years ago, yeah. Oh, surely I need to do the same thing here. Right. We're getting there, we're getting there. 15 years, what are you? 87. I'm 35, I think. I'm at the age where I can't remember my age anymore. I was born in 1989, July 1989. So you do the mathematics. I think I'm 35 this year. Does that? I can't do mental arithmetic like that because I'm dumb. I'm basically 87. I feel 87. I'm at the age now where my body's starting to fall apart. I'm running into all kinds of insane medical issues. Which I'd rather not go into. You're 29? No, 35. Okay. Good. Fix crash during workspace teardown. Arthritis. Actually, my wrists, considering how much time I spend on the computer so far, my bones are faring fairly well. I think maybe playing the guitar or ukulele or something like that helps a little bit with maybe preventing that kind of thing. I don't know. I might fuck off now. I need to go eat lunch anyway, and also I was only gonna do this for about an hour. This was just sort of a test to see if everything works, and I'll listen back and see how the audio is and everything. How long was I streaming? 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 5 minutes. I've been streaming for. All right, goodbye. Goodbye, Yippee Prods. Thank you for talking to me. Bye bye.